Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to find Pandora Jewellery promo code. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To find Pandora Jewellery promo code, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now, you can use any of the websites to find the promo code like Groupon, Retail Me Not, or any other websites. I am using Retail Me Not, so go to your search bar and type www.retailmenot.com. Then tap on the given arrow. With that, you will be taken to Retail Me Not's website. Now here you can see the search bar at the top of the website. Tap on the search bar at the top, then enter Pandora. Then here you can see Pandora Jewellery at first. Tap on Pandora Jewellery. Now here you can see coupons and promo codes. Tap on the coupons with code written. Then here you can see the coupon code. Now tap on copy at the side to copy the given code. You can also go to the Pandora Jewellery website by tapping on Pandora Jewellery at down, where you can use the promo code that you have just copied to buy any of the products from Pandora. This is how we can find Pandora Jewellery promo code. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.